Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to be showing you all my fidgets you are seeing there. So before we get this video started, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Now let's get started. Alright, so first fidget of mine is this a really cool pop tube. It makes a lot of noise though. Besides, I used to have them too, a purple and a yellow one. But you see, it just lost it at my home. But I'm just gonna find it and then show you guys that one too. But yeah, this is my yellow pop tube. And then this is my simple dimple, which is my fluffy favorite from the mill from everyone. It has so loud clicks. Check it out, guys. It's awesome. And then I have so many shell puppets. So look, let me show you the hard noise of it. Guys, now just focus on hearing. You see, it's so loud. I love this one. So I have this flower one with rainbow pops. And then I have this forest theme or something like insects theme. And this is similar to insects theme. And just for a by chance, I got the same one. And then I have eye dye. This is in heart and that's an eye dye. And then this is my hard shell puppet. And this is my first hard shell puppet I got. I love it. Okay. So actually, I don't know the name of it, but I named it Block Track. If you know the name, if comments are not disabled, so please comment me below what's the name of this one. Then I have got Fidget Spinner, which matches to my Among Us dimple. It matches a lot. I love this Among Us dimple. It clicks are so loud. Yeah. I have this fish puppet, 2 Play-Dohs, and then I have this octopus puppet, which is so awesome. It turns it here. We can pop it, but I don't want to make it like it. You can even make it, just carry it somewhere else. And then I have spinner dimples. They're so awesome. They clicks up here. It's a lot nice. Then I have these duck needles. And then my 3 puppets. This is my twin puppet, a bat puppet, and I have this robot puppet. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like it. So if you want my trading videos and many more, and if you want me to start my vlogs and everything, so just comment me below. And if you hit let's just try with 300 subscribers or likes, so I'll start to make my vlogs. So let's hit it.